Welcome back, you guys. Thanks for joining me for today's video. If you're new here, my name is Kait. So if you couldn't tell from the title, I'm going to be sharing a roundup of PR packages that I've gotten recently, which means all new beauty items, whether they're new launches or products that brands have sent over for me to try and test out. So I'm going to unbox everything with you guys in today's video so you can get a sneak peek of new launches, new beauty, and all new items that you may want to get your hands on. So stay tuned if you want to see, and let's go ahead and kick things off. Okay, here is our first package. When I first saw this at my doorstep, I was like, who the heck is sending me fruit from Oregon? I genuinely was so confused. So let's open it up. I had cut the tag already. But this one is from Grande Cosmetics. So they have some new vegan collagen booster gummies. Love that for them. This makes total sense to me because they are obviously very well known for their lash and brow serums. So it just feels right that they would have a supplement and a gummy that you could take. So let's go ahead and open this up. Remove my address from here. So this is our package that we're working with. Super cute. I have a little Grande Cosmetics bow in here. What is this? Do I open this, or do we think this is just, I think this is just packing material, right? Hope we're all on the same page. This is adorable. So they did send fresh fruit. So we have the gummies that are launching, and then they sent over some beautiful oranges and little clementines. Thank you all. And this makes sense because the gummies are citrus flavor. So here is what the packaging looks like. I love the pink. It's very on brand for them. And let's see what is in here. So there's biotin, amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E. It's non-GMO and it's gluten-free. And this is for healthy hair, skin, lashes, and brows. So I'm very excited to try these. I, to be honest, just don't really take any supplements currently, but I'm excited for these. I hope it makes my hair grow even longer. And it does say you would take 2 of these a day. So I'm definitely gonna start working these into my day, and we'll report back and let you guys know how my results are going. So stay tuned for that. I'm very excited for this next one, and I have a feeling there will probably be a separate video to come as a result of these products. But this package is Buxom's new Vibe Island collection. So there's a palette and then a bunch of lippies, which, I mean, duh, it's Buxom. They're known for their lippies. Oh my gosh, so they sent over 6 of their lippies from this collection. We have Tulum Teeny, Ibiza Balm, Seychelles Breeze. There's a little sneaky peek at those 3 colors, so pretty. And then these 3 are Pacific Punch, Bahama Mama, and Dolly Daiquiri. So I love that there's a good mixture of vibrant colors and then some pinks and some nudes in here. And the packaging on these, so cute. Love, love, love. I'll just open one up really quick so we can also see the gloss in action. But definitely a vibe, hence the name, and I am into this. So cute. I love the ombre top. Definitely perfect as we are going into summer. And then the package, I'm so excited for this. I always swoon over Buxom's palettes. I think they're beautiful. I always love the formula. Cute. It literally looks like a little tiki hut. I'm obsessed. So let's see what we have here. Beautiful. I always like the setup of their palettes too. They're really cute, well laid out. I like the quality of them, that they have a mirror. And then these 6 shades over here are all eyeshadows. And then these 2 are cheek products. So this looks like a gorgeous highlight. And then this looks like a really, really pretty blush. So I love the combination in here. Again, I feel like I'll have to do a tutorial with this. I always end up doing that with the Buxom collections because I just love them so much. Okay, next we have a product from Paula's Choice, and they sent over their Omega Complex Cleansing Balm. Looking forward to using this. I love Paula's Choice products. This says that it's going to melt away makeup and grime with this lush transforming balm, and that it breaks down impurities. It has meadow foam seed oil. I've never heard of that, but it just sounds really luxe. And then jojoba oil as well with omegas 3 and 6. So I love their packaging. It's always just very minimal and sleek, and I will probably open this up and use it tonight. I cannot wait. This next one looks like it's from H2O Plus, clearly, but I have no idea what could possibly be in here. Ooh, this looks nice. So it says Hydration Age Renew, and like the packaging of these look very nice, but it looks like I have one product in here. So let's take a look at what this is. Oh, so they sent over their neck and décolleté cream. Okay. Yeah, I don't have anything like this, and I'm all about the anti-aging. So this sounds really fun. Let me see if I can find it on here. This is why these cards are always so helpful. So 3 of the products from their Hydration Age Renew collection have been around, but this one is the new one. And this is the first product that I'm trying from that collection. So looking forward to it. This is $54, and it says it hydrates your skin with this luxurious and creamy texture that helps to tighten the appearance of the neck and décolleté for a smooth and radiant look. I really love the packaging. I don't know what it is about it, but I just think it's stunning. And this is a clean brand, by the way. I know that's important to some of you guys. Pretty. This just looks expensive to me. And I feel like $54 is not bad. Like in the grand scheme of things, when it's like an anti-aging product like this. But I'd be curious to know y'all's thoughts too, so let me know down below. I really wanted to see the texture. This has like a very clean smell to it, but the texture looks really nice and just like whipped and creamy. So another product I will absolutely work into my regimen, because I'm not really doing anything with this area right now, so I'm sure it could use some love. This next one I'm like jumping up and down like a little kid about, because this is my first time receiving a package from them, and it is from Rare Beauty, which, if you're not familiar, is Selena Gomez's makeup and beauty line that is in Sephora. So they had reached out to me on Instagram and asked if they could send me a package, and obviously I was like, heck yes, please do. So let's see what they sent over. I cut the tape, but I haven't looked at it yet, so let's see. It's like a whole experience. Here's the box. This makeup is made, oh, I can't read, how embarrassing. This is makeup made to feel good in without hiding what makes you unique. Love that for us. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so we got a little booklet here. I will read through that later. Ooh. Okay, so they sent over a new product. This is their Always an Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer. So I'll give you all a little look at that. So it says that this is $26. It's going to blur the look of pores, fights shine all day, extends makeup wear, and it's also non-comedogenic, cruelty-free, and vegan. Love that for us. There's hyaluronic acid, green tea extract, vitamin E in it. And let's, oh my gosh, there's more in here. Cute, I got a whole little package. So they sent over their Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. This makes sense because they did ask for my shades. Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, which I haven't tried, but I do have their foundation and I have really liked it so far. Obviously the primer, and then we got 2 brushes as well. I'm very, very, very happy with this. Thank you guys so much. And last product for now, at my attempt of being short and sweet. I feel like I'm definitely sweet. I don't know if I kept it short, we will see. But this one is from J.R. Watkins, who you guys know I've raved about them countless times and will continue to do so for all of time. I just love them. But they sent over a little package here. It's really heavy. So let's see what's in here. Cute. So this was their Spring Body Shower Ritual box. It says, we've got you covered with the perfect shower ritual for silky, smooth legs this season. I need that. I definitely have like those strawberry legs. I think there's just nothing I can do about it. But I have been religiously using actually this Body Sugar polish, and I'm about out in the same scent and everything. So this is a lifesaver. It definitely helps. I use this body polish all over everywhere, especially anywhere that I shave. It is amazing. So let's see what else is in here, because it looks like this is a very cute bag. So we have their body oil mist. This is my favorite scent by theirs, by the way. If you haven't checked out any of their products or haven't checked out this scent among their products, highly recommend. They're my fave. They're drugstore, they're super affordable, and they're a clean brand as well. I don't know if the body oil mist is just a newer product or I haven't tried it before, but looking forward to that. Creamy body wash is amazing. Chris and I have both used and loved this. It's so good. And then of course the sugar polish, oops, that I just talked about. Definitely grab this. 13 out of 10 recommend. And then what is this cute little bag? Oh my gosh, there's something else in here. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, they sent over a razor too. This feels really nice quality. It's very, very heavy. And I love the color of it. And I'm guessing this is like the little razor head on it. I'm excited to try it. This is Jungle Culture. I haven't heard of that before. I don't know if any of you are familiar with it, but we'll be giving this a try. And then this cute little J.R. Watkins bag. So beachy, love the vibes, love the aesthetic. Makes me feel like a mermaid. So that is going to wrap up today's video and my attempt at sharing a short and sweet PR haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love doing these and appreciate you guys tuning back in and watching. And if you're new, I definitely hope you'll stick around and stay. But as always, if you guys ever have any video suggestions, ideas, or things that you want to see from me, leave me a comment down below. I do love hearing from you guys and will 1000% make a note of any of your suggestions that you have and work that into the video schedule. But thank you guys again so much. Love you, and until next time.